Welcome to the Bettendorf Public Library's Take-Home Workshop. Today we're going to be making button bouquets, and these are perfect if you have a small space in your house that needs a pop of color. In your kit, you're going to find a salt shaker, and this is going to be the vase for our button bouquet. You're going to find floral wire. This is a 22 gauge floral wire. You can cut it with scissors. Not sure I recommend that. I did in fact break a pair of scissors trying to do that. Wire cutters are better, but we've already cut these down to a workable size, so you don't really need to cut them. You're going to find an assortment of buttons and an assortment of felt flowers in a variety of colors and shapes. All we need you to provide is a pair of scissors. This is real easy and simple. Limited only by your creativity. Let's jump in. So I just have a few examples of felt flowers here, and we're going to give you more than that. But this is the sort of thing we're looking at, and you'll also have a larger assortment of buttons than what I have here. So what you can do is you can go through and you can have a maximum of flowers for the numbers of holes, but that would be a really, really dense bouquet. And so I'm going to do about a half dozen, and some will be buttons and flowers, and some will just be buttons. So I'm going to do this little yellow guy because he matches what I've already done, and I'm going to pick out a contrasting button to go with it. So the first thing I would do is I would go through all of your, oh, that's very springy, I like that, all your buttons and flowers and get the matchups that you want the most. Now, we need 2 holes. Some of your flowers are going to have 1 hole in the center. That's not really going to work. So we're going to, even if we have a hole, we're going to use the scissors and snip 2 little holes on either side. And they don't need to be actually even holes, just little slices in there. So what I'm doing is I'm folding this roughly in half. When you have a flower that is not symmetrical, it's a little harder. I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to make 2 itty bitty little snips in the middle. Very small. Okay? And I'm going to want those to be about as far apart as holes on my button. There's a little room for play, but not a lot actually. Now I'm going to take my wire and I'm going to bend it. So I'm going to just bend at one end like that. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to slide my button on there. And I slid that on upside down. Let's try again. Slide my button on there. So it's nice and snug. And then I'm going to do the same thing with my flower, where I'm just through those little snips that I made, which were small enough that now I can't see them. There's one. There we go. So you're just sliding through those snips and you're going to snug it right up against that button. Just like that. Then I'm going to take my wires and I'm going to bend them down to either side so that it's nice and snug in there. And then I'm just going to twist. There we go. Sometimes on these little ones, it's kind of hard to get started. So I'm just going to give it a few twists, and then I'm just going to keep doing loose twists all the way down. And there you have it. And that's all there is to it. And you can do any combination. So let's do another one though. that we're going to do just buttons. So I'm going to pick out, and then, yeah, I'm going to have a 3-button flower, and I'm going to do it the exact same way. I'm going to bend my wire. I'm going to thread my buttons on there. Snug it up nice and tight. And then my big button. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to bend those down and twist and get that in there as tightly as I can. So there you have a button flower. So I have those two I just made, and then I have a few that I made earlier. So now you'll see this one has a much shorter stem. I bent my wire in half. So this is short ones. And then you just slide them into the holes on your salt shaker, your vase, however you want. And I want some kind of tall and some less tall. And once you have them in there, you just bend them around to wherever you want them to be. We'd like to see your button bouquets, so please share with us on social media. And we'd like to thank the Bettendorf Public Library Foundation for sponsoring this take-home workshop.